follow bad advice, get bad results. I was talking with some law firm owners today about marketing, creating content, and doing all sorts of different things. And one of the people at the meeting commented about someone at Wealth Counsel that was coaching someone, not her, to stay away from social media, that it doesn't work, that it's a waste of time, that people aren't using it to get clients. And this could not be further from the truth. My guess is this person does not own a law firm, has never created any content, doesn't have any idea what the strategy is behind creating content to get clients, and therefore is telling people to do bad things, and they're going to get bad results. Okay, you should be creating content. You should be creating a lot of content, teach people, help people, get out there in the world, and get some new clients. See ya.